Hey there, ever wondered what the sun sounds like? Well, it turns out the sun is actually a giant furnace constantly humming with sound, creating a solar symphony that's beyond our human range of hearing. The sun's surface is like a cauldron of boiling plasma, creating pressure variations that form incredibly long sound waves, ranging from minutes to hours long. These waves are too low for human ears to detect, but scientists can translate them into audible frequencies, revealing a deep, rumbling drone, more like a constant, low B-flat than a melody. This solar soundtrack isn't just for show. It helps scientists understand the sun's activity, track solar flares, predict eruptions, and learn more about the sun's internal workings. So while we can't directly tune into the sun's radio, it's a noisy star with a story to tell, just in a frequency beyond our human range.